Voitrocker.
So, jetzt da haben wir geträumt und geschmust und das Lummig gelangt werden, gell? Halleluja.
Well, I heard there was a secret chord that Tilly played, and they plead the Lord, that you don't really care for music, do you? And it goes like this: the 4 feet, the minor fall, and the major lift, the baffling king composing. Hallelujah, 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 His face was strong and he needed proof. We saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight over New York. She tied you to the kitchen chair. She broke your throat and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the maybe there's a God above, but all I ever learned from love was how to shoot somebody who withdrew you. And I've seen you fly on the mobile oceans. Love is not a victory march, it's a cold and it's so broken. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah,
Jawohl, die Licher, die
Dankeschön.
Gesang, wunderbar.